Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice square root math problem, which is the square root of x plus square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 2. So what is the value of x given that x is not equal to 0? So let's prevent the solution from here. So we have square root of x plus square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 2. So the first step from here is to square both sides. Let's square both sides from here, so that square root of x plus square root of x minus 2 squared, this is in the form of a plus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. Applying this algebraic identity, then here we have square root of x raised to the power of 2, then plus square root of x minus 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 2 multiplied by square root of x, then times square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. The next step is to eliminate the square root sign here. Let's eliminate this square root sign so that we have x plus, again we eliminate the square root sign here so that we have x minus 2, then plus 2 multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 4. The next step is that x plus x here, this is equal to 2x, then minus 2, then plus 2, square root of x times square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 4. The next step is to take minus 2 on the right hand side, so that now we have 2x plus 2 square root of x times square root of x minus 2. This is equal to 4 plus 2. The next step from here, we have to take 2x on the right hand side, so that now we have 2 multiplied by square root of x multiplied by square root of x minus 2. This is equal to, now here we have 4 plus 2, this is equal to 6, then minus 2x. The next step is that square root of x times square root of x minus 2, this is in the form of square root of a times square root of b, which we can express as square root of a times b. Applying this property, then here we have 2 into the parentheses, we have the square root of x multiplied by x minus 2. Close the parentheses, this is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now, the next step from here, we have that this is 2 square root of x multiplied by x minus 2. Let's square both signs from here. So this is equal to 6 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So we find that 2 times square root of x times x minus 2 raised to the power of 2. This is in the form of a to the power of n. That is a times b raised to the power of n. And this can be expressed as a to the power of n times b to the power of n. Now applying this exponent property, then here we have 2 squared times, now let's eliminate the square root sign from here. So here we have x multiplied by x minus 2. This is equal to 6 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So 2 squared, this is 4. So we have 4. Here we have x times x. This is x squared minus x times minus 2. This is minus 2x. Cross the parentheses. This is equal to 6 minus 2x raised to the power of 2. So let's open the parentheses here. We have 4 times x squared. So we have 4x squared minus 4 times minus 2x. This is minus 8x. This is equal to, now let's expand this. We have 6 squared. This is 36. Minus, we have, this is 24x. Then plus minus 2x squared. This is equal to plus 4x squared. Now, we have that the next step from here is that let's put the right terms. Let's take 4x squared minus, now 4x here squared and 4x squared here simplifies so that we have minus 8x. This is equal to 36. Subtract 24x. So let's take minus 24 on the left hand side so that we have minus 8x plus 24x, so that this is equal to 36. So minus 8x plus 24x, this is equal to 16x, and this is equal to 36. So let's divide both sides by 16 and also here by 16, so that now we have that x is equal to, now we can divide here 36 divided by 4, this is 9, and 16 divided by 4, this is 4. So x is equal to 9 over 4. So this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step is to verify. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we have that the square root of x plus the square root of x minus 2, this should give us a value of 2. Let's substitute x. So we have square root of 9 over 4 plus square root of, this is 9 over 4 minus 2. This should give us a value of 2. Now square root of 9 over 4, this is the same thing as 3 over 2, then plus. Now here we have the square root of, this is 9 over 4, subtract 2. This is, 2 is a whole number, so this is over 1. So that now, here we have 3 over 2 plus. Now, here we have the LCM here, which is actually equal to 4. 4 divided by 4 here is 1 times 9, this is 9, minus 4 divided by 1, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. This is supposed to give us a value of 2. Now, this implies that we have 3 over 2 plus the square root of 9 minus 1, this is 1 over 4. This is supposed to give us a value of 2. So this is 3 over 2 plus square root of 1 over 4. This is 1 over 2. This should give us a value of 2. So you find that the LCM here is 2. So that 2 divided by 2, this is 1 times 3. This is 3. Then plus 2 divided by 2 is 1 times 1. This is 1. This should give us a value of 2. So this is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4 over 2. This should be equal to 2. 4 divided by 2, this is 2, and this is equal to 2. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this proves that the value of x, which is 9 over 4, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.